Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will discussing the job demands in Romania. As we all know that Romania is a very beautiful country located in Eastern Europe, known for its rich history and vibrant culture. But what about the job opportunities? Let's find out. Yeah, these are the great job opportunities. They are hiring urgently right now, like cleaner, construction worker, cook, housemaid, general worker and nanny and others. And if you want to know how many boys and girls they need and what are the salaries for this position, I will tell everything in this video, so don't skip it. Watch full video and you will know everything about it. So let's begin. So let's talk about the cleaner and the salary and the vacancies. Cleaner, total number of quota was available 17, male quota was 15 and female quota was 2. Estimated salary will be your 72,990. Now next, construction worker. Let's talk about the salaries and vacancies. Total number of quota is 25 and the male quota is 25 and female quota is 0. They don't hire a female in this quota and the salary is 79,000. The next, cook, and the vacancies and salaries are number of quota is 4 and female quota is 0. They are not hiring the girls. Salary is 92,895. Now housemaid, vacancies and salaries are 5. Total number of quota is 5. Female quota, they need 5 females in this job position and the salary is 79,000. Now let's talk about the general worker. Total number of quota is 33 and female quota is 0. Now estimated salary will be your 72,990. Now let's talk about the nanny, vacancies and salaries. In nanny the total number of quota is 2 and the females they need 2. Estimated salary will be your 86,260. Now let's talk about the other facilities. You will get a leave, 30 days annual leave, and return tickets will be your 2 years. After 2 years you will get your return tickets. And your daily work hours is 8 hours and the weekly work day is 6 days. This is the other facilities you will get in your company. So let's talk about the qualification and the work experience they need. Qualification will be your 0. They don't mind your qualification, and experience they need according to your position. What position you are applying for, they need the experience based on your position. Okay, now let's talk about your hiring company. Your hiring company name is simply HR Solution, SRL. This company is hiring you, and this is the recruiting manpower of Nepal, All Rahim Manpower Private Limited. And this is the location and the mobile number of this manpower. You can either call them or you can either visit them. The choice is yours. So this much for today's video. Thank you for watching my video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave them in the comment below. Until next time, take care and best of luck in your job search. Okay, bye bye.